everybody. This is David Berlin, your friendly neighborhood ESL and accent reduction tutor. Today we're going to talk about how to make the ch sound, as in chair or chili. Now the ch sound, as in chair or beach or beaches or breeches, is pretty simple to make. It's not a really difficult sound. Now I know that Spanish speakers often have difficulty with this sound, native Spanish speakers. Basically, to make the ch sound, you make the sh sound, as in shy, or shell, or mush, or mushing, right? Or mashing, right? You make the sh sound. But before you make the sh sound, as in shy, you make a t sound. So you make the t sound, and then you blend it into the sh sound, okay? So you make a t sound, as in tell, or tear, or beat, or bit, right? You make the t sound, and then you blend it into the sh sound. And it's pretty simple. It comes out ch, ch, chair. Alright, so why don't you try a couple with me? Chair, cheat, chive. Now look at how you make the sh sound, right? It's not the sh sound. The sh sound is shy, shell, sheep. The ch sound is the same sound, but you make a t sound, as in tell or tear, before you make the sh sound. So, cheap, chair, chili. And that's how you make the ch sound. And you do it the same way, for instance, in the sound teaching, which is what I do. You make it teaching, teaching. You bring the tongue up against the roof of the mouth to make the t sound, right? You bring it up against the roof of the mouth, the center front of your tongue, up against the roof of the mouth to make the t sound, as in tear, and you go teaching, and you blend it into that sh sound. So it doesn't come out teaching, right? Because if you did that, you wouldn't be making contact of that part of your tongue with the roof of your mouth. That's not what you do. It's not teaching. It's teaching. You see what I mean? So you take that part of your tongue and you make contact with the roof of your mouth to make the T, and you blend it into a sh, and you come out teaching, preaching, bleaching, okay? And that's how you make the ch sound, all right? This is David Berlin, your friendly neighborhood ESL and accent reduction tutor. And if you want ESL or accent reduction lessons or American cultural understanding lessons, give me a call. My number is 732-807-5424. Once again, that number is 732-807-5424. Or you can reach me on Skype at david.berlin.esl is my Skype ID. Or you can check out my American Idiom of the Day Twitter feed at www.twitter.com/DavidBerlinESL, and there's an American idiom up there each day, or you can check out my blog for more tips at davidberlinesl.blogspot.com. Okay, once again, this is David Berlin, your friendly neighborhood ESL and accent reduction tutor, signing off. Goodbye.